Welcome. In this video we're going to be discussing another kind or type of set, and that's a subset. Now to easily define subset, we could say that it's a set inside a set. Let me illustrate that. So if I have two sets, let's say set A, which is colors of the rainbow, and set B, which is the colors red, blue, and green. Now, let's list the members of set A so that we can realize what elements are making up set A. Colors of the rainbow, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So when you look at the members in set A and the members in set B, you realize that set B has red, set A also has red, set B has blue, there's a blue in A, and there's a green, and there's also a green. Now, you notice that all the members of B are there in A, but A is not equal to B. So you could say something like set B is inside set A. Now, this is what we call a subset. You could also say this another way, that set B is a subset of set A. Now, subset has a symbol. If we're talking about subset in set notation, it is written like this. It's like a long C. So in the notation or language of sets, we would write that B is a subset of A. B is inside set A. Now, we also have what we call a proper subset. Now, a proper subset is one where the set is completely inside. In this case, set B is a proper subset. Let me give an illustration of where it's not a proper subset so that proper subset can make sense. If some members, let's use a set P whose members are 1, 2, 3, and set Q whose members are also 1, 2, 3. Now, first and foremost, these sets are equal, okay? But you would say that set P is a subset of set Q, okay? You can't say it's a proper subset because P is not fully inside Q. I hope that makes sense. So proper subset is when one is fully inside the other. So that's subset and proper subset. Now, most times we are going to use proper subset. The symbol for subset, like mentioned earlier, is this long C. So which means that if I wanted to say that any sets like R is not a subset of X, I will cross through the symbol. Okay, so the second kind of sets that we've talked about is a subset, and to easily define it is one set is inside the other. Subsets has a symbol of the long C, and we actually use proper subset when one set is inside fully the other. And they are not equal, because in this case B is not equal to A, but B is inside A, so B is a proper subset of A. And lastly, this is the symbol of not a subset.